So, what did I buy? I got some good deals. You want to see what I got? It only happens twice a year, and it's going on now. It started this week. You want to see what I got? Sure you do. Stick around. Should I dump it out or take it out one by one? This is more fun. Look at that haul. I had a 10% off coupon, and I got all of this for $104. We have 10% tax out here, so let me show you what I got. This is my favorite hand soap to keep in the bathroom and the kitchen. They didn't have vanilla, which I usually have for the master bathroom, so I'm trying this rose water and ivy. I smelled of a lot of stuff before I settled on this, but the bathroom is kind of pink and purplish. I got this just in case I didn't like that at all. This is what I use in the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is green. I may end up putting that one in there first, but this is what we really like in there. And then this is what we use in the kitchen. This really, really good soap. And these were 5 for $23. They last a long time. They don't leave sparklies on your hand. Check at the end of this video, and I will link a video review I have of these. I believe I have it up already. This is for putting on at night, this stress relief lotion. They have several blends of these. This is the sandalwood and eucalyptus that's on sale. They also have a sandalwood and spearmint one that was not on sale. But hey, I can live with this. I like the smell of sandalwood. This is great for putting on your body before you go to sleep at night. It calms you down, just makes you feel good. I think my son puts it on his feet before he goes to sleep at night. And then I got some of the spray. You can spray this over your pillow. It just gives you that, hey, it's time to go to sleep now, settling down sensation. Really, really good stuff. Stick around. This is spray for the bathroom, and if you don't know why, I question if you're a human or you've been in the bathroom after another human. This is one of my favorite scents. It rarely comes out except for the semi-annual sale. It's just a really kind of elegant scent. I guess you can tell that by the way that it's packaged. It's just for, I kind of use it for like special things when I want to smell a little bit different. It smells kind of elegant. I don't know any other way to say it. And they named it correctly, cocktail dress. What I really got excited about, this is one of my favorite scents for the summer. It's called Beach Nights, and it's actually marshmallow scented. Love Fit All is the one that kind of turned me on to this, I believe. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it has like an orangey and a marshmallow type scent to it. I scored 3 of those, and then I also got the spray because I like to use the spray on my clothes. I like to use the spray on my hair to make my hair smell good. Little trick there. Very happy with my haul from the Bath & Body semi-annual sale. Thanks for watching my video about the Bath & Body semi-annual sale. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if you know someone who likes Bath & Body products. Now's the time to buy them. Remember to feel good, smell good, and be good. Bye. It only happens twice a year. Hurry, get in there. Want to watch another one of my videos? Want to subscribe to my channel? Sure you do.